First Class V here, back with another GCSS-Army helpful video, and today we're continuing our series on AIT My Workplace, okay, with video 3 of goods issue. So goods issue used to be where we would go to process and finish out the turn-ins for the SSA, right? So this is where you would see all your outstanding documents. This is recently, well, not recently, about 7-8 months ago, was replaced by what they call the turn-in portion of my my workplace, which is all the way to your right. This was once the turn-in process, like I said, but I said things have changed. I read somewhere that in the next couple months they're going to actually take this off of my workplace since it's pretty much obsolete. We have the new turn-in for it, okay? So if you go into your My Workplace and you do have like an item or two posted or it's identified in the goods issue, you're able to identify the historical document number and outbound delivery, and you can actually take care of it. Most of the time when this happens is because someone at the maintenance level may have deleted a turn-in but did not finish the process. And what I mean by that is once it gets to 80 outbound, they may have deleted it, but it did not delete correctly in the system. So I'm going to show you how to do that, all right? So without further ado, let's jump into GCSS-Army, and let's go to AIT My Workplace. All right, so if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. All right, so like I said, once you're in My Workplace, I showed you guys how to load your S-lopes right here, all right? So if you look here, it says good issue, right? So I'm going to click on it. It says I have one. Now, when this screen pops up, if you know your delivery or TO number, you can go ahead and put it. If not, that's no big deal. All you're going to do is hit search, just like pretty much everything you're going to do in the system. So once it loads, it's going to pull up any historical numbers or items that basically anything here is either going to be deleted or processed so they don't populate anymore, right? So it's pretty easy. Like I said, once it populates, this is what will come up. You'll see a little error message, posting only possible when items have been picked. So there's a few things you can do from here, okay? So depending on how you do this, you're going to create less work or more work for yourself. So if you were to click it, enter the pick quantity, and save, then you're going to have to get the SSA involved to actually get rid of this, all right? So we're going to go back. We're just going to clear it. So here you're going to notice you can get your document number, your 80 outbound to the SSA, the shipping address, so forth, your material, your description, your batch, your quantity, all right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to highlight this, and then we are going to jump into GCSS-Army. So ZEDF, right? That's your extended document flow. So all you're going to do is go down here to document number. You're going to enter and execute, and as you see, outbound return to the SSA, right? So at some point, someone deleted this. All right. So now, depending on your access, you may or may not be able to delete the actual 80 outbound number, right? So what we can do is click on it. You're going to go up to the little display change hourglass stuff. So this T code we're in right here, once you hit the document number from the ZEDF, is VL03 November. All right. So all you're going to do is you'll highlight the row. You're going to hit delete. Do you really want to delete this? Yes. All right. So we're going to back out. We're going to execute one more time. All right. And as you see, now we're down to a 71. So once you go back into My Workplace, right, hit back. And what this is doing, this is going to clear it out of our system so there's no errors, all right? It's pretty easy to do it. Like I said, if you are a unit that deletes a lot of orals, then you might have an issue with this. So if you notice, we hit the home button and we are now at 0. So we have nothing that is outstanding, and we actually cleared that. Like I said, in the next few months, they're actually going to take goods issue out because the turn-in tab right here is going to replace it. And this is a pretty cool tab. We're going to get to there. So like I said, this is video 3 of our series on AIT My Workplace. Hope you all are liking the series. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, go Ordnance.